Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Husqvarna Vitpilen 401. Husqvarna Motorcycles has unveiled its latest masterpiece for 2025, the eagerly awaited Vitpilen 401. Designed to blend minimalist Scandinavian aesthetics with dynamic performance, the Vitpilen 401 promises to captivate urban riders with its distinctive style and agile handling. Sleek design and urban sophistication. The Husqvarna Vitpilen 401 embodies a sleek and contemporary design philosophy, characterized by clean lines and a minimalist approach. With its compact dimensions and lightweight structure, the Vitpilen 401 exudes urban sophistication while retaining the brand's heritage of uncompromising performance. The distinctive tank, sharp bodywork, and exposed trellis frame emphasize the bike's sporty DNA, making it a standout in city streets and tight corners alike. Dynamic performance and handling. At the heart of the Vitpilen 401 lies a responsive 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, meticulously tuned to deliver spirited performance and efficient power delivery. The lightweight chassis and agile handling dynamics ensure nimble maneuverability, ideal for navigating congested city traffic or carving through winding urban roads. Whether commuting to work or exploring cityscapes, riders can expect a thrilling experience on the Vitpilen 401, complemented by precise braking and responsive suspension for enhanced control. Technological integration. Despite its minimalist design ethos, the Vitpilen 401 integrates modern technology to enhance rider convenience and safety. A digital display provides essential ride information at a glance, including speed, fuel levels, and gear position. LED lighting ensures optimal visibility day and night, while a robust ABS braking system offers reliable stopping power in various road conditions. These features combine to elevate the riding experience, ensuring both performance and peace of mind for urban riders. Market appeal and availability. Anticipation for the Husqvarna Vitpilen 401 is high among motorcycle enthusiasts and urban riders seeking a blend of style, performance, and practicality. Scheduled for release in global markets in 2025, the Vitpilen 401 is positioned competitively within the urban sport motorcycle segment, appealing to riders who value both aesthetic refinement and dynamic capabilities in their daily commute or weekend adventures. Conclusion. As Husqvarna continues to innovate and redefine urban motorcycling, the 2025 Vitpilen 401 emerges as a symbol of Scandinavian design excellence and dynamic performance. With its distinctive aesthetics, agile handling, and advanced technology, the Vitpilen 401 invites riders to embrace urban exploration with style and confidence. Whether navigating bustling city streets or escaping to scenic routes, the Vitpilen 401 promises an exhilarating riding experience that blends form and function seamlessly, setting a new standard for urban sport motorcycles in the years ahead.